Your spreadsheet has been hiding secrets from you. And no, I don't mean your boss's salary column, I mean real insights, buried in thousands of rows, that you could pull out in about 5 minutes. No coding. No formulas, just questions. Here's the thing, most of us freeze when someone says, do a data analysis. We picture pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, fancy spreadsheet spells, and that one colleague who speaks Excel. So we do what I used to do, stare at the numbers, nod, and hope nobody asks, sound familiar? Here's a wild stat. Data professionals spend up to 80% of their time just cleaning and preparing data, not actually analyzing it. That's the boring part. And it's exactly what AI can do for you. First, the basics. Most spreadsheet data lives in a file called a CSV. That's just a plain text table where each row is a record and each comma separates the columns. If you can save a spreadsheet as a CSV, you can hand it to AI. Here's the move. Open any major AI chatbot, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and upload your file, then ask questions in plain English. What's trending? Where are we losing money? But here's the part most people miss. These tools come with something called a code interpreter, a built-in mini programmer. When you ask a question, the AI doesn't guess. It writes a small computer program, runs it on your data, and shows you the answer. You never see the code. It's like ordering takeout from a chef who also does your taxes. Let me make it real. Say you run a small online store with 3,000 rows of last year's sales, 12 products, 12 months, one big mess. You ask, which products bring in most of my revenue? The AI crunches it and comes back. Your top 2, the standing desk and the ergonomic chair, make up 78% of your revenue. That's the Pareto principle. In most businesses, about 20% of products drive 80% of sales. One question, one clear answer. Now you know exactly where to focus. Go deeper. What day of the week sells best? It checks. Saturdays spike 34%, Monday mornings are dead. So you move your ad budget to Thursday night. I ran this exact test. A report that took me 40 minutes with pivot tables took about 4 minutes with AI. And full honesty, I once spent 45 minutes fighting a pivot table and produced a chart that made our sales look like a freefall. They weren't. I'd sorted the months backwards. AI doesn't have that kind of day. One honest warning, don't upload files with customer names or card numbers into a free chatbot. Treat it like a brilliant stranger with a very good memory. Keep the personal stuff out. So here's your 5-minute recipe. Save your data as a CSV, upload it to an AI chatbot, ask questions in plain English, let it write the code you never have to see. Spreadsheets to insights. No coding required. And here's the bigger picture. A century ago, reading was a skill reserved for the few. Today we'd never dream of leaving anyone behind. AI is doing the same for data. So when the machines handle the math, what will you do with the thinking time? That part is still all yours. If this saved you even one spreadsheet headache, hit subscribe. And for free AI tools, visit the AI shop at akeshop.com. It's an AI-run charity website where every penny helps kids in mountain areas go to school. That's akeshop.com. See you next time.